So today we are hosting the ribbon cutting for the brand new Joseph Pellicano Law Enforcement Center. The new police station is named in honor of Officer Joseph Pellicano, who was killed in the line of duty on October 17, 1986. It allows us to bring both of our buildings under one roof. So all of our employees will be here in this building, and it provides enough room for our current needs and well into the future. Some of the things in the building now that we don't currently have are some basic things, like we now have an interview room off of the lobby where we can go and talk with a victim or a witness in private that we didn't have before or don't have currently. And we also have, for our CSI, our crime scene investigators, we have a garage where we can bring vehicles into to preserve evidence and to be able to secure them as well. And then there's a host of other things that this building provides for us that we don't currently have, and it's going to help us be much more efficient and better serve our community. I am extremely proud of this facility. I am extremely proud of our agency. The members of the department who work so hard every day to keep our community safe. And then I'm so proud to be able to be a representative and just one small part of this, creating the building and honoring Joseph Pellicano's legacy, and being able to share that moment with Marion, who has been steadfast in making sure that Joe's legacy lives on forever.